I have an order to sell the high of this bar. I just got filled on my first order. Alright, so I have my profit target 40 cents below my entry and my scale in order 40 cents above my entry. So if we go down to my target first, I'll just cancel my scale in order. But if we go up first, I'll get in on my second entry and then move my target up to my first entry. I moved my profit target to the low of this bar just because I think there might be buyers there. So just in case, just moved it 10 cents up. So now my profit target is 30 cents away. Okay, about 5 cents away. I removed my scale in order, so I'm not going to scale in anymore. Okay, I'm going to move my stop to my entry now. So if it bounces all the way back up, then I'll just get out. Okay, so I ended up getting out with 4 cents. Touched my order twice. I probably should have raised my order a little bit. I think that's what I should have done because I moved it up to below the bull bar because I thought there might be buyers there. And then we came down, the next bar had a tail on the bottom. So maybe buyers below there. So I should have moved my target up a little bit. And it got there twice. So that's the difference between making $1.20 and 4 cents. So I think that was my mistake there. I should have been a little bit more aggressive with the profit target when it didn't hit the first time. But overall, happy to see that what I thought would happen did happen. It just missed me by a couple cents. So look to see if I find something else today. Alright, after 3 consecutive bull bars here, I bought at the market, stop down here. So just in case we continue higher to test the top of the sell climax. I also want to buy a 50% pullback. So if we pull back, I'll enter at a 50% pullback. If we just go straight up, I'll exit at the high of the sell climax. Okay, I got filled there. Alright, just got out. I exited at 286.85. And my first order was when I bought the market, I bought at 286.02. So I took a 20 cent, 17 cent loss on that first entry, but I made about 40 cents on my second entry. So finished with $1.15. I thought the first order when I bought the market was a little bit impulsive just because I didn't want to miss the move, and I thought if this is enough to get us to the high of the sell climax, I don't want to miss it. But I feel like I planned it well enough to allow myself room so that my risk isn't too big. If I just enter one share, I'm only risking about $1 to the lows. And my full position here for 3 shares at 50% would allow me to get my actual scalp. So this was just like a safety initial entry just in case it didn't pull back. And I actually felt more comfortable because I was wondering if I should buy the low of this bar or if I should buy 50% pullback. And as soon as I entered my first share up here, I felt relaxed that even if it pulled back below this bar and then went up to the high of the sell climax, I would still be participating in it. So it allowed me to put my actual entry at 50% and not worry if it got hit or not. So if I didn't get in at my scale in order, I would still be okay. And it did fill me, and I only took a 20 cent loss on that first share. So overall, I think it was a good trade, and I'm happy with the execution of it.